Hello, I'm Dr. Deepti Bhaskar. I did my undergraduation from Madras Medical College, and I have secured rank 9 in JIPMER and rank 35 in PGI Chandigarh this November session. So during the period of preparation, my way of preparation was I didn't have a very strict timetable as such of like 10 hours or 12 hours of reading per day. So my way of studying was I had a very made a rough timetable of as such so much subject topics I should cover per day. So I wasn't very particular about the time. It was like so many topics I should cover per day so that I can retain it better. It's I think this is a better way of preparation rather than having a set time of 10 to 12 hours or more than that as usually people say. So you have a you can have a set, this much of topics you can cover per day. That way of preparation will be of much use rather than having the set time as such. So I followed a rough timetable this way, and I was able to complete most of my topics in the stipulated time as planned. Then I should thank ADR Plexus for the mock exams they conduct for PGI. Around 3 to 4 mock exams they conduct, and each of them have real exam experience you can have attending those mock exams, and they were of very of great help to me, especially in this November PGI, cracking these November PGI. I was one among the many students who got benefited through ADR Plexus, and telling about this session, I joined the ADR Plexus crash course. It was a 40 days course. It was actually it was fully packed with action. It was that kind of a course, and each day we had almost all the days we had one subject discussion and revision. And so it was a combination of both conceptual as well as entrance oriented course. So all the subject faculties were of great help, especially for pediatrics, medicine, and many of the faculties also showed us picture based questions, which was of great help in all the exams, especially PGI and JIPMER, AIMS, like institution exams. Uh, it was of and also they conducted during this session, they conducted many of the mock exams for AIMS, PGI, as well as for JIPMER, and it was of great help to us. So as far as PGI exams are concerned, the prime thing which we need to concentrate is, apart from preparation, it's time management. So regarding time management, you need to undergo a number of mock exams. In my case, I gave a number of mock exams, especially conducted by ADR Plexus, and it was of great help to me in managing time. And as far as preparation is concerned, I went through all the standard textbooks we follow, and also I add my own notes which of the classes attended in ADR Plexus. It was of great help to me in overcoming all these, and the major thing in PGI is that each of the questions, rather than knowing whether it is right or wrong, we need to know whether it's true or false. That is going to be the strategy in that, because we are going to have 5 options. In that, we need to know whether each option is true or false. Regarding then only you can mark whether it as right or wrong. And also once we have marked it, we can't change it. So we should be double cautious in doing it. So as far as my PGI preparation is concerned, so I had a 6 months period of preparation. So during the initial few months, I went through all the standard textbooks once, subject wise. I went through all the textbooks. Then I got enrolled in ADR Plexus revision session. and I had a quick revision of 40 days. I had a quick revision of all the subjects as such. Then before a month, during this intervening period, I also underwent a number of mock exams. The major thing is that by attending each of the mock exams, we need to take it as the real exam as such and give it very meticulously, and also see what the mistakes we have done in each of them, and try to correct them. And then during the last 1 month, I had a revision of all the things whatever I have learnt in the preceding 4 or 5 months. So last 1 month I dedicated only for revision of whatever I learned previously. Then on the day of examination, it is very important that we go to the exam very cool and collected, and on getting the exam questions, we need to see that whether we have to read each and every question as a new question. Even if it appears as a repeat, for us, we need to see it as a new question, read it once or twice. Then we need to mentally get prepared with what answer we are going to give, and then we need to shade it.